Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video I have for you this glam skull makeup tutorial that is actually a recreation from a video that Lustrelux Katy did last year, which I also recreated last year, which I'll post somewhere on the screen. I will link her video down below, but if you guys want to see my version, make sure you keep on watching. So I am recording on a new device today. Let me know how the quality looks for you guys in the comments down below, please. So I'm using the, I was gonna say Huda Beauty. So today I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm going to go into Sandalwood. So using that same palette, we're going to be applying henna underneath that transition shade. So I'm gonna go into the Mario palette by Mario and Ebates, and I'm gonna use this brown shade called Violeta, and it looks a lot lighter on camera. So going back into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, we're going to go into this black shade right here called Black Truffle, and we're going to deepen up this look. I lowered the intensity of my ring light because I'm feeling like, I don't know if it's the camera, but it's making the eyeshadows look washed out. Like, I swear this looks a whole lot darker in person. I don't know what's going on. So now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium.
Just to know what you knew. Christmas every time we start looking as
So I tried to cut the creases as identical as possible, but I ain't perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. So now I'm gonna go into Moon Dust, which is like a champagne gold, and I'm gonna apply that all over the crease we just cut. So now I'm gonna mix henna and cocoa, and I'm gonna try to blend out these outer corners right here. Now I'm just gonna add more black to the edges. So I tried my best to get my eyeliner to look identical, but again, I ain't perfect. So we're actually gonna apply glitter on top of this gold eyeshadow we applied up here. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter in Electric, and I'm gonna be using the NYX primer, glitter primer. And if you don't know, the reason why I'm doing glitter after eyeliner is because it's really hard to do eyeliner over glitter. I really like the NYX glitters. They're really affordable and they look stunning. But I've noticed that ever since I started using the ABH ones, I don't reach for the NYX ones as much because the ABH ones, the reflex are a little bit stronger, and when you remove it, you don't feel like you're gonna go blind. Like, it comes off with a makeup wipe, one swipe, that's it. You don't get glitter all over your face. With the NYX glitter, when I'm removing it, I feel like I get it everywhere. Like, it gets inside my eye and then I'm like, oh shit, I'm gonna go blind. But with this one, I don't feel that fear. This eye look is so pretty. You could literally do it like for a night out on the town, wedding guest, party, whatever. Like, this is so pretty. I'm gonna do my lashes, foundation, and concealer off camera, and then I'll be back so we can start off with the skull. Bro, I look scary as hell. And we haven't even gotten to the skull. I don't know what it is. Okay, I look hella scary, but we're gonna disregard that. I have foundation and concealer on my lips, and if you know me, I think foundation or concealer anywhere near my mouth is disgusting. Like, I hate watching videos when people put foundation all over their lips. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna have to do it. So let's just finish off the eyes real quick and then we can get to the skull. So we're gonna line our lower lash line with some black eyeliner and we're gonna make it thick. So now we're gonna set that with some black liner. So I'm gonna blend out that lower lash line by mixing in cocoa and henna. So to highlight the inner corners, I'm going to use this gold shade here called 24K. Finally, it's skull time. So we're going to start off with a black shadow. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I'm terrible at explaining things, so just I'm going to try my best. So we're going to create two lines up here. Just like so. I'm just gonna blend that out. This brush has leftover black from the one we applied on our eyes. I did not add any more. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control. So to carve out the cheekbones, I'm actually going to use this black paint from Black Cream Makeup from Party City. It was like $3, and a liner brush. So I'm grabbing a very light amount, and I'm gonna carve out the skull. Now we're gonna try to do the same thing on the other side. To help guide you guys, it's like if you were contouring. So you would contour like about here, like a little under your cheekbone. So that's where you would begin your line. So they're not perfect, but we'll get there. So now with some black shadow, we're gonna go up here, and I forgot what these are called, but the look is gonna make sense at the end, I promise. Dents in the skull, I guess. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a So I'm gonna deepen out these edges by creating sort of like I'm gonna keep doing more shading over here. I think this brush might be too big.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew, restless every time we start looking as a.
I'm making sure that the deepest parts are down here and up here.
Paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the
So with the same cream from Party City, we're gonna start off with the nose. So we're setting that with some black shadow. Now we're getting ready to do the mouth, and I'm going to use my NYX liquid liner.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you.
So with some black shadow, I'm going to try to create a shadow at the top of the teeth.
Can see what you do, restless every time we start looking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but in the dead of.
We're going to create some teeth. I'm going to use the same black cream makeup from Party City, but in white. I'm using a lip brush to create the teeth. So to finish off this look, we're gonna highlight, and I'm gonna use the Artist Couture highlight. Artist Couture. Is it Couture or Couture? Whatever. I'm using Glow Money. This is one of their new Diamond Luxe Luminizers.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew, restless every time we start looking as a lost control.
So that is it for this glam skull tutorial. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram because I post a lot of I've been posting a lot of different Halloween looks that I have not been filming. So if you guys want to check those out, make sure you guys follow me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time that I upload. And I'll see you guys next time.